What's going on, guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. I'm going to install the Whitestone Dome, the original best screen protector in the world, on the phone right now. Just wanted to make this video to be able to help you, and better late than never. I'm about 3 months late. I did install it on my phone, but I peeled it off to do the other protectors. Let's get ready to install this. But first things first, you may not have all the lighting and everything at your house, but you do need a level. You really got to make sure the table is level. That way when you set the glue on the glass, it doesn't slide all over the place. First things first, you're going to want to take your phone out of the case. It wouldn't hurt to have a microfiber cloth. You really want to make sure the table is level. This isn't perfectly level, so I got to watch for that slide. You're going to get one of these wet wipes. Clean your phone really good, guys, because you do not want any hair or any dust on the phone, and if you had a previous installation, you might have some glue or something else on there. So you've got some stickers to remove the dust. You've got some protection for your phone. You're going to put these on the sides and the top, and you're going to put this on the speaker there. You've got the tray to hold the glue here. You've got the pull tab for the glass, and this is going to go up on the front here, so that's another piece. This is the Whitestone eraser. This thing's pretty new this year. You're going to use this to actually press on the glass once you get the glass down, and that's going to spread the glue out evenly. Grab this, and you can plug this into a battery, or you can plug it into an outlet like I have here. Make sure you get as much dust off the area as you can. Speaker protector, so top and side protector. We've got stickers for dust removal. We've got the glue tray. We've got the glue bottle, this little tab, you're going to pull it out, it's going to release. And you've also got this little tab that goes right here on the bottom here. The eraser, the Whitestone glass itself, local glue, you only need one. Double check, make sure you got everything. You got a clean phone. And if you have animals, then you're going to be cleaning your phone a lot, but just be patient and do your best. The first thing you want to do is grab these little stickers, right? And you take it, and you can kind of just peel it off like so. And you actually want to grab the top of the phone like so. And you want to cover any places that the glue could seep in and cause damage, so that would be good right there. Grab this tab right here, and we're going to pull it down like so. And just get right over the buttons and cover them good. But you don't want to get near the front of the phone. You want to get it right on the sides there. Get any fingerprints that you just put it. And now would be the good time to use the alcohol pad. But I think we're good here. This is pretty much clean. Bumpers right here. And you're going to put one here. Boom, boom. You're going to put one here. And they fit right in the channels. Nice on each side. So it's really easy to do. And then another one goes here like so. Okay. And then another one goes here, like so. And what this is going to do is it's just going to soak up any extra glue. That way you don't get it in your phone. The dust stickers that they give you, whichever ones you want to use, and just get off anything that's on there, right? So you also want to cover the little speaker here that I had junk stuck in. Get it right over it. That should be good. Perfect, as long as it's not on the screen part. You might not have as much dust in your environment as I do because we have a lot of animals and I really don't have time to clean as much as I would like to. Now, this says S24 right here. S24 Ultra right on the box there. And we can put it in like so. Put it in like this with those numbers up front there, like so. And you want to get those in there in the right spot. This is then going to go at the top here, and this thing only fits. So you're going to stick that in there like that. And like I told you guys, this thing is going to go in here. And that's going to stop the glass from falling. And then you're going to put the glue tray on, take a look at it, inspect it, make sure it looks good. Take one of these caps off. I always forget which one it is though. I'm gonna guess it's this black one you take off, right? Let's see, yeah. Take that off there and then dump it. Oh, no, okay. So as long as your table is level, you should be all right. And you let that glue seep out and then you can take it off. Okay, so now you've got this tab here, if you've done it correctly, and we've got the glue right in the middle of the phone where you want it. And you're gonna take this off, and then you're gonna go like this, right? Put it right there, okay? Now, if you did that properly, then, no. So you can kind of move it like a little bit if you don't like the placement of it right there. But I'm just gonna make sure this is all set, and I'm going to push this a little bit towards the middle. And now what we're gonna do is just pull this out, and now we're just gonna put that right there. And hopefully gravity will do the magic here. Oh, it didn't fall. Oh, it didn't fall all the way down. Okay, so I think maybe the bumpers got it stuck, but it should be just fine. Okay, now as you can see, the gravity is doing the work there and going all the way to the bottom of the phone, and that is what you want. It got a little stuck on the corner there. That might have been my error, but I'm sure you get the idea, right? If you gotta hold it, you know, you can kind of hold it until it goes all the way down. And if you need to, you know, you can move the eraser a little bit. Try to stretch that out as much as you can. You see what ended up happening was a little bit of the glue seeped out because I didn't notice that it wasn't fully on. But it'll be enough if you just give it a moment. Just let it get all the way down. Don't lose your marbles yet. You're almost there. You're almost there. Okay, so now you can do this. Boom, boom, boom. We're going to do 15 seconds on the top. And if you press it twice, it's going to do 60 seconds. 15 seconds on the middle, 15 seconds on the top, and 15 seconds on the bottom. And you just want to start that curing process. It happens pretty fast. Okay, so now you can actually pop it out. And now what you want to do is 60 seconds on the top and 60 seconds on the bottom. Actually is no glue whatsoever on this installation. There's only a tiny bit right there, so I'm just gonna do the 60 seconds on the top. And it looks like it came out pretty good with no worries there. I just want to show you how well these things absorb the local glue. And as you can see, the glue is all there and it did not get on my phone like whatsoever. So that is awesome. Nice, it did its job. Now we can go to the bottom and click it another 2 times. And then what you can do after is take a look at your magnificent Whitestone dome. Now what you can do is you can clean it with the stickers on it. Like if there's any adhesive anywhere that you want to get off, you can do that now. Wipe around the edges if there's any glue. And then what you want to do is take off your stickers. The stickers did a nice job protecting the phone. Grab your cloth and wipe it real quick. So as you can see, if there's any glue, it just kind of wipes. If there's any excess glue, it wipes away very easily, and I could already tell from my years of experience that this is going to be a pretty good install. Past mistakes, guys. If you do see a little glue on the side and it aggravates you, do your best to not touch it because you're going to, it'll fall off with time. The best thing about the Whitestone really is this right here. You see that? I did not change my fingerprint. It worked the first time. And that is really, really amazing. That is the best looking screen protector you're ever gonna get. Even though I didn't do it exactly perfect. Tiny bit of glue on the sides there, which will probably come off on its own. Best bet is to just kind of leave it and it'll come off. You don't want to go crazy wiping along the edges. Definitely is possible to start peeling off the glue. That right there is the best looking screen protector that you're ever gonna get. And I could even give you a freaking macro shot of this. It really does look amazing. What you don't get with any other screen protector is the fact that your fingerprint's gonna actually work. You really can't beat that because I just literally installed it and it works. I don't have to worry if the screen protector works or not. It looks amazing. Okay guys, I hope you liked this Whitestone dome installation video. Like I said, better late than never. Links down below are affiliate links. They don't cost you anything, but they greatly help me out. Thanks so much for watching. Greg with PizzlesTechTime. I'm out. still do want